exercise 4.1. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Firstly, we let cost of a notebook. Cost of a notebook. How much? Rupees X. Cost of a pen. Rupees Y. According to question, he said cost of notebook is twice of cost of a pen. Cost of notebook. Cost of notebook. According to question, is equal to 2 into cost of pen. Cost of a pen. It means cost of notebook is equal to X is equal to 2 cost of pen. Value of pen is 5. X equal to 2y, or 2y move this side. X minus 2y is equal to 0. That is our answer. X minus 2y is equal to 0. Answer of first question. Now we are doing second question. In second question, we have 6 parts. In second question, we have statement. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c each case. First sum, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 per bar. 2x plus 3y. This was statement, move this side, minus 935 bar is equal to 0. Now compare with the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now a is 2, b is 3, c is minus 9.35 bar. That is our answer. In this part, we are doing second sum. No, we are doing sixth sum. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. We have the x variable we have given, but y variable not given. So we write 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. Compare with the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So a equal to 3, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 2. Now next sum. In this part, take next sum. 5 equal to 2x. We write 5 minus 2x equal to 0 minus 2x. Instead of y variable we have not given, so we write 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. So compare with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A equal to minus 2, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 5. If we have given third statement after that equal, then we move third statement before equal, then we write the answer. A equal to -2, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 5. That is our answer. First sum, we have a given statement y equal to 3x plus 5. We have three options, a unique solution, only two solution, infinite many solution. Firstly, we put the value of x. Instead of x, we write 0. X equal to 0, y 3 into 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5, it means 5. Instead of x, we write 1. Y equal to, instead of x, we write 1. 3 into 1 plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Value 5 is 8. Instead of x, we write 2. Y equal to 3 into 2 plus 5. 3 to 6 plus 5, 11. We have 11. We put many values of x and get the value of y. So equation has infinite many solutions. So C, option C, equation has many solutions. Equation has many solutions. X plus y equal to 7. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. Write 4 solutions. Y is equal to 2x, move this side and change the sign. 7 minus 2x. After that, we put the values of x and y. Put the value of x. Instead of x, we write 0. Y 7 minus 2 into 0. 7 minus 0, 7. X 0, y 7. Put x1. Y 7 minus 2 into 1. 7 minus 2, 5. X2, y 7 minus 2 into 2. Firstly, we multiply 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. In this x0 1, y 5. X2, y 3. Now we put the x3. Y 7 minus 2 into 3. 7 minus 6, 1. If x is 3, then y is 1. Now pi x plus y equal to 9. Pi x move this side. Y equal to 9 minus pi x. Instead of we put some values and find the value of y. X, y. X equal to 0. Y 9 minus pi into 0. It means 9 minus 0, 9. X value 0, y value 9. Instead of x, we write 1. Y equal to 9 minus pi into 1. Pi into 1 means pi. 9 minus pi. If x is 1, y is 9 minus pi. X2, y 9 minus pi into 2. It means 9 minus 2 into y, 2 pi. X2, 9 minus y, 9 minus 2 pi. If x3, y 9 minus pi into 3, 9 minus 3 pi. If x3, then y is 9 minus 3 pi. That is our answer. Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 is equal to 4. Firstly we write first sum 0 2. It means in last class we said first digit is x, second is y. X equal to 0, put x equal to 0, y equal to 2 in a x minus 2y equal to 4. Instead of x we write 0 minus 2, instead of y we write 2 equal to 4. 0 minus 4 equal to 4, minus 4 equal to 4. That is not, both of them are not equal, so answer is no. So 0, 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. If both sides are equal, then this is solution. If both sides are not equal, then it is not a solution. Fourth sum, root 2 4 root 2. Put this is x root 2, this is y 4 root 2 in a equation. In a x minus 2y. Now x is root 2 minus 2, y is 4 root 2. Root 2 minus 4 into 2 8 minus 8 root 2. 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2, it means minus 7 root 2. That is not equal to right hand side, because left hand side not equal to right hand side. So root 2 4 root 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now our third sum is complete. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Put the value, put x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Instead of x we write 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 1 3 is equal to k. 7 is equal to k, or k equal to 7. So value of k is 7. Value of k. First sum, x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. We have 4 at x plus y is equal to 4. Move anybody this side, x is equal to 4. Y move this side, it means minus 5. Now we put the values of only two solution enough. Put the value y. If y equal to 0, then x equal to 4 minus 0 4. Y equal to 0, x equal to 4. If y equal to 2, x equal to 4 minus, instead of y we write 2. 4 minus 2, 2. x2, y2. Now we draw the graph. From these values. In Gaussian plane we have this side x positive, this side x negative, this side y positive, this side y negative. This is origin 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 this side -1 -2 -3 and up. This side -1 -2 -3 and up. Because in this solution we have no negative sign, no negative digit, so x is 4, y is 0. X is 4, y is 0. If the value of y is 0, then that is on x-axis. On x-axis 0 4 4 0. X is 4 0. That point is 4 0. Next point is 2 2. X2 and Y2. X2 and Y2. Now join 2 2. Now join the graph. In straight line with scale, that is straight line with scale. Now we get the graph of this equation. Y equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. Put value of x and get the value of y. X, y. Instead of x, we write 1. Y equal to 3 into 1, 3. Instead of x, we write 2. So y equal to 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. X equal to 2, y equal to 6. X1, y is 3. X2, y is 6. Now draw the graph. Y dash, y positive, x negative. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Value of x. Now this side -1 -2, only 2 need -1 -2 because we have no negative sign. So x is 1, y is 3. X is 1 here, y 3 positive side here. After that x is 2, y is 6. X is 2, y is 6 here. That is 1 3. That is 2 6. Now draw the line. This line pass through origin also. This line pass through origin also. That is the graph of y equal to 3x. Give the equation of the two lines passing through 214. How many more such lines are there and why? 214. It means x equal to 2, y equal to 14. We made some equation from this. Any equation we draw. We make if x plus y, x is 2 plus 14. It means 16. X plus y is 16. That is first equation. If x minus y, x2, 2 minus 14, it means minus 12. That is second equation. 3x plus y is equal to 3x means 3 to 6. Y 14, 6 plus 14, 20. 3x plus y equal to 20. Now next equation, x plus x minus 2y is equal to x is 2, y is 2y 28, 2 minus 28, it means 2 minus 28, it means minus 26. Instead of is right, minus 26. That is third equation, that is fourth equation. Such we make many equations. So we make many equations. We make many equations like above equations. We make many equations like above equation. That now second sum is complete. In sum number 3, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph equation 3y equal to ax plus 7. Third sum 3, 4. 3 means x value 3, y value 4. Put x3, y4 in equation. After that, we get, instead of y, we write 4. 3 into 4 is equal to a into. Instead of x, we write 3 plus 7. 3, 4, 12 equal to 3 into a, 3a plus 7. 7 move this side. 12 minus 7 equal to 3a. 5 equal to 3a. A equal to 3. Move this side. 5 by 3. It means or a is equal to 5 upon 3. Sum number 4. Here for first kilometer. Here for first kilometer. How much? Rupees 8. Here for next kilometers. Here for next per kilometer. Rupees 5. Total distance equal to x kilometer. Total fare is equal to y rupees. Now according to question, total distance is x. 1 kilometer they covered. It means 8 plus 1 kilometer covered. 1 kilometer covered 8 plus, instead of total distance x, so we subtract 1 from this because 1 kilometer covered minus 1 into. Here for next kilometer, rupees 5 into 5 is equal to y. Total fare 8 plus 5x minus 5 equal to y. 5x 8 minus 5 3 is equal to y. We have y equal to 5x plus 3. Now put the value of x. If x is 1, y equal to 5 into 1 plus 3. 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, 8. For first kilometer x 1, y 8. If x 2, y 5 into 2 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. x2, y 13. Now draw the graph. Y negative, x negative, x positive. 1, 2, 3, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 12 13 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 ready value for y here only one -1 -2 -1 -2 now first x is 1 y is 8 1 8 now x is 2 y is 13 x is 2 y is 13 now join this one one 8 2 13 that is the graph now that sum is complete